Hello, my name's William Hugh. I'm a Welsh learner, and to that effect I'll be checking out a different Welsh word every day. Feel free to join me. And today's word is sal, which means ill. As in, mae hi'n sal. She's ill. Sal. Ill.